Hi, this is Evan from TexasFirearms.net. We're going to do a new installation video on the SKS Super Rapid Release. Made a little change. I changed the retention system to a top cap to allow for the variations in the sheet metal trigger housings on some of them. What you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver or similar punch, a small hammer, a 3/32 pin punch, removable Loctite, the Super Rapid Release, the 3/32 Allen wrench supplied with it, and a 2x4 with a hole drilled through it. First thing, you want to check the gun, make sure it's clear and clean, or empty. It's clear. Now, over a non-marring surface, pick up the trigger bow with your ring finger, hold the punch or screwdriver with your thumb and forefinger, give it a rap with the back of your hand. It comes off every time. Put the gun aside. You take the housing on your drilled 2x4, you drop that pin in there, grab it till almost flush, and then take the punch, drive it the rest of the way. Make sure the spring and release doesn't fly out. And you take your Super Rapid Release, take the top cap off, put a drip of the blue Loctite, removable Loctite on the thread, reinsert it with the angle towards the front of the gun, tighten it down a little. Now slide it into the trigger housing. Oh, we got to put the spring in first, that would help. Then slide it into the trigger housing. And then while pulling back on it, tap the pin back through. Try to keep it even on both sides. Did that to be perfect. There you go. Now you want to tighten the screw tight. Not extremely tight, just snug. Now you're ready to install. Take the trigger housing, snap it back in. You are ready to release the magazines one-handed super rapidly. This is Evan from TexasFirearms.net. Have fun shooting with your new Super Rapid Release.